So, just wanted to give some people a quick little heads up in case you ever get stuck trying to change the tires on your car and you're not sure if you can get the nut off or not. These particular rims got a splined lug nut on them. They're American Racing. We're on a 2013 Dodge Charger, and it's got a 2085 by 40 by 20 on them things. And so, let me get this real quick, bro. Let me get this real quick. So if you got one of these kind of splines on your Joker and you stuck, then what you do is you get you a 1/4-inch drive socket. It slide right on. Okay? Snug, bite, and fit. So now you can take your lug nuts off without having the special splined keyed shaft. Now, I might be the dumb one that don't know about that trick, but I want to make sure everybody else knows. So, there you have it. If you have a Charger on 20s and they give you these low profile lug nuts like these with the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with the 6 slots on that thing. You know what I'm saying? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, with the 6 splines. Then you make sure you get you a deep 3/4-inch socket so that you can take them off yourself. This got to help somebody out there. So this is my little PSA. So yeah, 34-inch drive socket on that splined shaft. Those studs are the 14 millimeter by 50 millimeter. It says it's a 22-inch socket. I don't know what the metric combination is to the 3/4-inch, but we got them off no problem. You know, we got them in. They slide right in. Tight, snug fit.
Slide it in.
Slide right out.
Slide it out.
You know, so.
Rocky Ride, baby.
So you'll be able to get them things off pretty quick. Glad to be of assistance to the world. Peace.